Hello mga motorista and welcome na naman sa isang Motorista Adventures na video. Today we are here at GAC Cagayan de Oro. And today titignan natin yung ating GAC M-Powder Sporty Sedan ni GAC dito. So first time dito sa Mindanao magkakaroon tayo ng M-Pow review. Kasi kakarating lang dito and this is the first model that they will be releasing dito sa mga customers nila in Mindanao. So let's take a look at the price of the M-Pow first before we go over the specs features. So let's start with the base model. So meron silang GS version, price at 1.275 million. So kung gusto mo yung base model lang, you can have it as low as 1.2 million. So meron din silang 1.3 million or 1.355 million for the mid model. And yung ating review natin today is the top spec model nila, which is priced at 1,398,000 or basically 1.4 million na yung kanyang price. Okay? So today we'll go over the specs features niya for 1.4 million. Worth it kaya? So ayan mga motorista, yung harapan ng ating GAC M-Pow, and very surprisingly, it looks quite good talaga in my opinion. Napakagandang tignan na sedan nito ni GAC. And especially if you look at the grille, yung angles niya sa harap, also very modern. Hindi siya over the top yung pagka-design niya, but it is aggressive mga motorista. Very comparable to the Honda Civic. So mas muted pa nga yung Honda Civic ngayon. This one is the more aggressive looking sedan if you compare this to the Civic mga motorista. You can see also meron tayong DRLs na fang shape siya. And you have front parking sensors. Wala tayong front camera unfortunately. Meron tayong advanced driver aids which I will show you later on. But the overall look is quite nice and very much a sporty sedan. Yan. And let's go over the rims and the tires. So yung nakalagay dito is GT na model na tire. So Comfort F22 Advanced Tech. So 225 by 45 R18. So low profile tire siya. And you have this parang covering dito. So it's not really painted na caliper. Parang design lang siya. To make it look sporty, ventilated disc, McPherson struts dito sa harapan. Carbon fiber yung ating side mirrors, which is nice. Engine push to start button, smart entry. Pagdating dito sa likuran mga motorista, kita nyo naman, disc brake din tayo, independent rear suspension pa rin, which is really nice in terms of comfort. So you want an independent suspension talaga rather than torsion beam when it comes to these big sedans na mga motorista. It's very stable on the road. So hopefully soon matitest drive natin to. Pagdating sa likuran, para siyang sportback na design or coupe-like design. Sloping yung ating roofline doon sa likuran. And as you can see, maganda din yung design sa likod. It's modern but not so much na hindi na siya, it's not so much na over the top na siyang tignan. So tamang-tama lang yung design niya. And you can see this quad exhaust. Pasensya na kung medyo maingay mga motorista. But we do have quad exhaust which are functional, and also you can change the sound. So you can have quiet mode and meron din siyang loud mode. So if you put it on loud mode, definitely you'll hear the exhaust sound from the 4-cylinder 1.5 engine. Right. When it comes to the rim design, I really forgot about the rim design. It's also quite nice, very edgy, grayish siya na merong silver sa harapan. Again, mag-ingat lang sa mga curbs kasi baka matamaan mo yung rims. Napakaganda pa naman yung rims natin dito sa harap. So before we go to the engine part, LED headlights. Ayan, so full LED. Unfortunately, you don't have fog lights for the M-Pow. Mga motorista, when it comes to the engine, has a 1.5 liter turbocharged petrol engine. Direct injection siya na engine, same as the M-Zoom. So when it comes to the power, so you have 174 horsepower and 270 Newton meters of torque. That's really good numbers already. By the way, this is paired to a 7-speed wet type dual clutch transmission, which is quite nice. I cannot really tell you about the performance about this engine because I haven't driven it. So once I've driven the M-Zoom with this engine, I'll go back to you and say kung gaano siya kaganda. You have a ano dito, reservoir. So that's dual no na coolant. Ayan. And meron tayong nakalagay mega wave power dyan. You have your intake here. Dito nakalagay yung ating air filter, yung computer box natin is right here. So mga motorista, ito yung susi ng ating black na MPOW, and ayan, meron siyang remote start, no? Lock and unlock, and then you can open the trunk using the remote pala. Napakaganda ng remote niya, very thin and light. Mga motorista, andito tayo sa loob ng ating GAC MPOW, and I'm really surprised, no? The amount of high quality materials that is here is commendable, and kita nyo naman, no, very technologically advanced siya when it comes to how it is displayed yung ating mga screen. So you have a 10-inch display dito. You have a 7-inch display sa ating main screen or sa driver display. But seamless yung ating hindi mo siya makikita na meron siyang borders masyado. So napaka-seamless ng ating integration between digital or yung indications natin and the color TFT. Now, I really like the texturing of the leather. So I like na this is red leather. This is parang carbon fiber na plastic. This is carbon fiber na plastic here. And also, you have your chrome door handles dito. I really like this red leather talaga. So, you have power folding side mirrors. You have one touch up and down sa lahat ng windows natin since this is the top of the line model. And also, the interior looks really nice, very sporty. It looks like a sports car dito sa loob, mga motorista, no? Yung ating steering wheel, meron siyang red strip here, no, for the MPOW na top of the line natin. And you can see na meron tayong paddle shifters as well. Ayan, lapitan natin, paddle shifters. Meron din tayong automatic headlights dito sa kabilang side, and the automatic wipers as well. Dito naman sa kabilang side ng ating steering wheel, you have cruise control buttons, and yung screen buttons natin, andito siya. So you can toggle between your average fuel economy, yung mga trip meters natin, and you can also change the view sa ating screen using the view button. So digital, parang digital siya, and this parang analog type no na steering wheel. Meron din tayong parang ayan, meron din tayong okay. So once you press this button, yung view na button, so you have options no when it comes to what will you see on the screen. So ito yung standard. Meron din tayong parang digital na kita natin yung mga tire pressure monitoring natin. And also this one na parang motorcycle siya na gauge. And dito naman is you have your adaptive cruise control. Ayan, and your distance to the car in front of you. And also meron siyang lane keeping assist and lane departure alert. Sa kabilang side, meron tayong exhaust na button here. And you also get your voice command button, and yung mga volume and next buttons natin is andito siya. Call button natin nasa taas na part. Tilt yung ating steering wheel. I tried to telescope it but it doesn't telescope. You can see right across the dash natin, the dash is low, and this screen dito is quite big, mga motorista, and I really like the integration with the displays. Again, 10-inch and 7-inch display. Hazard button natin, you have aircon control sa ilalim, which is quite good. I really like na meron siyang dedicated talaga ng mga aircon controls. So yung cooling and yung fan speed natin is andito siya, meron siyang knobs. So meron tayong lalagyan here. I assume this is Qi wireless charger capable. Kita nyo naman, engine push to start natin is andito, surrounded by this carbon fiber look. I really also this is quite nice as well kasi glossy siya. So hindi siya ganun ka fake looking than yung parang sobrang matte talaga pero plastic naman. So this is a lot better. Meron tayong USB port sa ilalim for your phones. Ayan. And pwede ka maglagay ng mga gamit. You have your 12-volt accessory outlet there as well. So, yung ating shifter is an e-shifter, no? You have a 7-speed dual clutch transmission, wet type dual clutch siya with this e-shifter, and then press to park. Electronic parking brake with auto hold is here. Meron tayong drive mode selector dito, volume knob here. Now, yung drive mode selector natin, you can choose between eco. Meron din tayong comfort. So, comfort, yung exhaust natin, it gets louder. Go to sport, same lang sila, but again, yung power niya is sport and handling sport as well, and ESP is on sport. Meron din tayong sport plus, no? So pag sport plus nakalagay, mag-iiba yung ating screen. So you can see the turbo natin, water pump, and fuel temperature and air temperature natin. And even once I press the pedal, you can really hear the exhaust sa likuran natin, mga motorista, no? Parang naka-muffler siya. So basically, meron siyang variable, no, na gate, no, for the exhaust system. So it opens up, no, once you press on Sport Plus mode. Okay? So ayan, balik tayo sa eco, tahimik siya ulit, which is nice, no? Right. So right now we're in eco mode. ESP is on sport. Ayan, and then steering wheel is relaxed. So meron tayong sport din na steering wheel. Ayan, may bumigat yung ating steering wheel. And yung ating screen is very good definition. Really like it. You also can control the sunroof. Ayan, you can open the sunroof. Meron tayong sunroof here. Ayan. And all the windows you can also control using this, no. And the seats as well, you can toggle, no. So meron siyang heated seats, no, dito sa ating left and right seat as well. I'm not sure if it's cooled seats, but yeah, meron din tayong ambient lighting here, so you can have a musical rhythm kung gusto mo siyang mag-jive sa music mo sa sasakyan. So kind of gimmick, pero I think that's okay as well, no? That's an added bonus na din. So dual zone climate control, so meron tayong mga indications here, mga motorista, and you can also see your climate control dito sa ating screen. So yung ating ayan, yung ating vents dito and hazard button, kitang-kita. So yung ating armrest as well, meron siyang nakalagay G for GAC. Ayan, and then you have cup holders right there. Compartment natin is andito, it's damp. That's nice. And very high quality yung mga materials dito sa ating MPOW, mga motorista, na very surprised. Yung pedals natin, ayan, meron siyang metal finish sa ating sa ating pedals, which is nice. Adds to that sporty vibe, and you have your speaker grill dito. So one thing that is missing here is hindi siya auto dimming rear view mirror, so manual lang siya na dimming. So ayan, twist mo lang kung gusto mo nighttime and daytime. Ayan, dito naman is dome lights natin is LED. Vanity mirror as expected, meron din tayo. So airbag count dito is meron tayo for driver, passenger, side curtain. So around 7 airbags, mga motorista, dito sa loob ng ating MPOW. When it comes to safety features such as driver assist, let's see. So you have speed alarm, meron siyang driving memory, you have your speed limit sign recognition. And ayan, forward collision warning, active brake assist, cross driving is lane departure assistance, lane departure assist mode, intelligent parking, meron siyang rear radar alarm sound, 'di ba? So ayan siya, mga motorista. So yeah, yan yung mga mga safety features niya dito sa ating MPOW. So I really like the overall interior look. I think it's quite a nice place to be in, yung ating MPOW. Right. So mga motorista, the seats are very comfortable, sporty seats. Not so much when it comes to the bolsters, so hindi siya ganun ka-aggressive, which is good kasi sometimes kasi pag sobra aggressive yung bolsters natin, medyo masikip na siya and hindi siya ganun ka-comfortable. But I'm very comfortable dito sa ating while sitting inside the MPOW. So yeah, that's it, mga motorista, no. Yeah. So yeah, this is the front of the JC MPOW. Now let's move on to the back. Tignan natin yung ating space sa likuran ng ating front seats. So, set lang natin sa ating driving position. Ayan. Punta tayo dun sa likod. Right. Now, dito sa likod ng ating MPAW, one thing that you should know is since you're a passenger, no, you will not get the best viewing experience dito kasi yung seats natin medyo may kalakihan and mas mataas pa siya sa second row. But it's very spacious dito. So ayan, kita nyo naman yung space dito sa likuran. It's quite nice. Meron tayong pockets dito. Standard no na one touch up and down. And you have your speaker grill na may nakalagay GAC motor. Meron din cup holders dito. And yung ating rear air vent is just a single vent, mga motorista, hindi siya dual na vent. So you can close it or open it, and then USB ports here. Maliit lang yung hump natin, which is good. Yung roof line natin, yan yung space ko, 5'7" in height. And then ito yung ating dome lights dito, which is nice. It's LED, but hindi siya separate, no. So once you open the light, no, dalawa talaga siya magbubukas. Okay. And the seat belts, no, is red, so adds to that sportiness vibe dito sa ating GAC MPAW. So ayan yung ating interior, mga motorista. What do you think sa ating interior? I really like the exhaust sound once you put it on Sport Plus mode, or if you just toggle the exhaust button on the steering wheel, it really gets quite loud, and it makes you feel that you're going faster than you are, mga motorista, no? Once you have this valve, no, dun sa ating exhaust that you can open so that it will be louder, and close if you want a quieter ride. So I really like that, no? Kasi pag naglagay ka ng exhaust, talagang maingay na siya, no? So ito is adjustable. Ito is you can turn it on kung gusto mo, kung feel mong mag-sporty drive, and you can turn it off if you just want a normal driving. Diba? So hindi siya ganun ka-ingay and mas comfortable siya i-drive. So ayan yung ating GAC MPAW dito sa loob. Now let's move on to the trunk. Let's see kung anong meron dun sa likod ng trunk natin. So tignan natin kung gaano kaganda yung space. Let's go. So ito yung likuran ng ating GAC MPAW, mga motorista, and definitely space is quite nice. Meron tayong early warning device. Yung ating spare tire is just standard, no, na space saver. Hindi siya yung parang sporty one that's on the MPAW itself, but very decent na din, no? So I don't think you can open the trunk by yourself, no? So you have to press the button inside. So mga motorista, ito yung ating GAC MPAW sa likod natin, and it's quite nice, no? I really like the styling, maganda yung design, and when it comes to the features and specs that you get for this top of the line model, it's quite nice already for its price, and a lot more cheaper, no, than a comparable Honda Civic, mga motorista, kasi ito talaga yung parang competitor niya. So ayan, if you have any questions, let me know down sa comments. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, click that notification bell for more videos in the channel. Once again, this is Adrian, Motorista Adventures, and I'll see you on the next episode.